How to add a page in WordPress. Need to add a new page to a WordPress website, whether it's for an About section or a contact page, or to showcase your services. Pages are essential for building out your site. Let's walk through the simple steps to create one. First things first, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is how the WordPress dashboard look like. And if you are new to WordPress, what you have to do is simply go to www.wordpress.com and log into your account. Then you will be directly directed to this type of interface, which we call My Home or a dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, you can see a lot of options on the left hand side. From this option, choose Pages, which is over here. Tap on it. Great, now you are in the pages section. Look for the add new page, which is over here. Tap on it. Fantastic. Now you have arrived at the page editor. According to the theme, it have a lot of options. You can choose it from here too. For example, for About, you can use this one. Or if you want to create your own page, simply tap on blank page over here. Now see where it says add title. That's where you will type the name of your page. Think about what you want to call this. Maybe About Us or Services. Let's keep it About Writer. Okay, done. Let me know in the comments what title are you going to use. Type it in now. Below the title, you will find the main content area, which is this one. This is where you will add all the text, images, videos, and anything else you want to include on your page. Now start adding your content and don't forget to get creative. Let's write something over here. I'm just keeping this much. You can add whatever content you like in your page. For information, you can use this block section over here to add the elements. Here you can add text, quote, pre-formatted type, and media too. Also designs, widgets, things and many more. Let's add some photos from the gallery. I'm keeping a random one. So this is the photo. And once you are happy with your page content, look for the publish button, which is over here. Give it a click. Before doing that, make sure to check the visibility if you want to either to be public, private, or password protected. And there you can see an option for publish immediately, which means we can also edit the publish time. And once we're happy with it, simply tap on publish. Let's view the page. And this is how it looks like. And just like that, your new page is live on your website. See, adding a page in a WordPress is really that straightforward. Why not try creating a practice page right now? Let me know in the comments what page you have created and if you have any question along the way. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.